Welcome to our video on Quietum Plus, a natural solution for tinnitus relief. In this video, we will provide an introduction to Quietum Plus and how it can help in relieving the symptoms of tinnitus. Tinnitus is a condition characterized by ringing, buzzing, or other noises in the ears or head. It can be a constant or intermittent sound and can greatly impact a person's quality of life. Before we dive into Quietum Plus, let's first understand more about tinnitus and its causes. Quietum Plus is a natural supplement that has been specifically designed to support ear health and provide relief from tinnitus and associated symptoms. It is formulated with a blend of vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts that have been scientifically proven to have positive effects on ear health. Quietum Plus works by addressing the root causes of tinnitus. It helps to reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation to the ears, and support the health of the auditory system. The ingredients in Quietum Plus have been carefully selected for their ability to provide relief from tinnitus and promote overall ear health. There are several benefits of using Quietum Plus for tinnitus relief. It not only helps to reduce the intensity and frequency of tinnitus symptoms but also improves overall ear health. Quietum Plus may also support better hearing and cognitive function. Many individuals have experienced positive results with Quietum Plus. Let's hear from some of our satisfied customers who have found relief from tinnitus after using Quietum Plus. Using Quietum Plus is simple. It comes in the form of capsules that can be taken with water. The recommended dosage is mentioned on the product packaging, and it's important to follow the instructions for best results. In conclusion, Quietum Plus is a natural solution for tinnitus relief. It offers numerous benefits for ear health and has been well received by many users. If you're looking for a natural approach to tinnitus relief, consider giving Quietum Plus a try.